What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? My mind, your money business folks. It's me yet again with another video about Nvidia and the stock market. Should you sell all your stock today? No. Right? But the market did take a big hit today. Stocks declined. It started before the stock market opened. It was talking about Nvidia, AMD, all these AI chip makers who have been told not to sell their chips to other countries. Now, if I remember correctly, this started months ago when the Biden administration put out that it was going to sanction countries like China. So this is nothing new. So it's interesting that it came up again today, right? As Nvidia was almost at an all-time high. It's like this close to overtaking Apple as the top company in the world. And then boom, this article comes out and the stock takes a steep hit and starts to sell off. Now, the way I look at it is, investors taking their profits. These big multi-million, billion-dollar investment companies taking profits on what they've made thus far. I'm sorry, I'm adjusting something. So that's how I see what's happening in the market right now. So let's see what the market is saying. It says U.S. stocks closed lower on Tuesday as investors reacted to the downbeat earnings from ASML Holdings that dropped a day earlier than expected. Okay. Shares of the leading semiconductor supplier sank more than 15% after its earnings release. And an apparent error. Really? Showed a disappointing sales outlook for 2025. Nvidia shares, however, fell in tandem. Okay, so it fell in tandem because ASML earnings report got leaked by error, dropping more than 5% to slip back from their freshly minted high. It's almost like this is the way we need to humble you. We don't want you to grow too fast. So, I don't know. A report gets leaked by error. They say Nvidia can't sell to other countries like China. So that's the reason why the stock is going down. Because here's the thing. I found something else. It says in May, there were rumors adrift about potential pact between U.S. and Saudi Arabia that could offer the latter security guarantees that lay out possible pathway to diplomatic ties with Israel. I don't know what that means. But that's interesting. Nonetheless, all of this has to do with money, people. Money. I might have lost money today, but I guarantee you there are big stakeholders that made a lot of money because that's just how the stock market works. The thing is, just continue your plan. Continue to dollar cost average into the stock market each month. Do not solely invest all of your money into companies like Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Meta. Diversify your portfolio like I have. And will continue to do in the future. Because everything was pretty much red today, except for, it looks like Apple did okay, and Tesla made a little profit today as well. But either way, it says AMD stock also dipped 5%. Okay, the Dow Jones Industrial edged down about 0.8% or more than 300 points on the heels of closing above 43,000 for the first time. The blue chip index was dragged down by United Health Group, which saw shares fall 8% after its 2025 profit guidance missed estimates. Okay, meanwhile, the benchmark S&P 500 also dropped roughly 0.8% to fall from Monday's all-time high, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite sank around 1%. Now, it's just interesting that, Nvidia is mentioned in a lot of these headlines. So Nvidia is a big deal, folks. Let's see. Nvidia closed today at 131.60. So it took a $6.47 hit. Yeah, 131.60. Now, I've been hearing mention about a $130 threshold, and it seems to have appeared, but it stayed above 130. So I look at that as a good sign. So we'll see what the rest of the week and month has to offer for Nvidia and the rest of the stock market. Yeah, this is going to be a short video today. Not much to say. Nvidia took a hit. FTEC took a hit of $2.99. SPLG, S&P 500 ETF that I have, went down 53 cents. Again, that's why you need to diversify your portfolio. Nvidia took a big hit of $6. SPLG took a small hit of 53 cents. FTEC took a nice little hit of $2.99. Again, when you have your money diversified, you will not lose all of your money in a single stock. So diversify your money. I don't know if VTSAX earnings came out yet. But yeah. All right. So, hey, there's not much else to talk about. All right. You got to take care. Peace.